Hello, welcome back. Please subscribe to support our channel. This episode is all about radio control autogyros, and in this episode I need your help. Let me explain. I've had some great successes with tractor type autogyros, and that is to say the motor and propeller is on the front and pulls the craft along, such as this one, the Mini G, or indeed the DAG60 giant scale gyrocopter. I've had less success, however, with pusher types, such as this one, or in particular this one, the GyrOne V2 from experimental models.
I've rebuilt this model several times because I'm missing 2 bits of vital information. Let's go over to the field and witness the maiden flight. This roll to the left through 90 degrees was uncommanded. That is to say that it did it, not me. However, when I throttled back, full control was restored. It was trying to pitch up all the time, however, so I decided to land and retrim. On the next attempt, the pre-rotator motor caught fire, and then again it rolled to the left, and no amount of right rudder or right cyclic would correct the problem.
So, if you have one of these GyrOne V2s from experimental models and you've successfully flown it, I really need your help. The first bit of information I need is the hang angle.
That is to say, with the model suspended from the rotor hub and an angle finder positioned on the keel, what angle from the horizontal does it hang at?
If you suspend your model hanging nose down from the propeller boss, how far off the vertical does it dangle?
When I showed the crash footage to Richard Harris, he suggested that it might have dropped out of auto-rotation. So looking at the underside of the blades where they meet the centre hub, what angle of incidence are your rotors set at?
When we're successful with the GyrOne V2 model, I want to take the information that we've gleaned and apply it to my own gyrocopter model. And this one is a semi-scale Magni M20. I'm going to leave you now with a compilation of footage of radio control autogyros that we've made over the years. Some of the fun we've had, some of the successes and some of the disasters. Thanks for watching.